Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can fix Siri not working. Sorry, I had to enable that. So first go to general and make sure your software is updated. So check for updates. If it has not been updated yet, you have to update your phone. I'm just going to go back to general here. Then we are going to go to Siri and search. And make sure you have everything enabled. So if you disable it and enabled it again, they're going to they're going to tell you to say hey Siri again onto your phone. You can also select the language that you're currently speaking in, so they'll kind of understand you a little bit better. So I just chose English. And they'll have to listen for your hey Siri again. And if that doesn't work still, you do have to kind of reset everything. So go to the general section, scroll down, go to transfer or reset iPhone, reset, and select this all settings and network settings. It won't erase everything, but yeah, that is it. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.